Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Vegetable Chopper. The once-for-all safe mandolin slicer 5-in-1 is a versatile kitchen tool designed for safe, efficient slicing and chopping. Its innovative safety design keeps your hands protected while effortlessly slicing vegetables, fruits, and more. With 5 interchangeable blades, it offers multiple cutting styles, including julienne, dicing, and slicing, for all your culinary needs. The compact design includes a built-in container to catch food, keeping your workspace tidy. Made with durable, food-grade materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Non-slip feet provide stability during use, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation. Perfect for meal prep, it saves time and effort in the kitchen. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for small spaces or on-the-go use. Simplify cooking with this all-in-one, user-friendly slicer. Cuisinart Food Processor. The Cuisinart Food Processor is a versatile kitchen essential, designed to simplify meal prep and enhance your cooking experience. Equipped with a powerful motor, it handles everything from chopping and slicing to shredding and pureeing with ease. Its large-capacity work bowl accommodates a variety of recipes, perfect for family meals or entertaining. The stainless steel blades deliver precision and durability, ensuring consistent results every time. Intuitive controls make operations simple, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. The sleek design complements any kitchen, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. With multiple attachments included, it offers endless culinary possibilities. Compact yet powerful, this food processor is built to last. Elevate your cooking with the efficiency and reliability of Cuisinart. Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. The Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle is an exceptional blend of practicality and style, catering to those who appreciate hydration with a flavorful twist. Constructed from durable tritan material, this bottle stands out with its sleek jet black finish, offering both aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a capacity of 34 ounces, it strikes an ideal balance for those on the go, whether traveling, hiking, or engaging in fitness activities. This water bottle is designed for easy use, featuring a built-in infuser that allows you to enhance your water with fresh fruits, herbs, or vegetables. This unique feature not only encourages healthier hydration habits, but also enables users to explore a variety of flavor combinations, making drinking water a more enjoyable experience. The infuser component is easy to assemble and disassemble, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning process, although hand washing is recommended to maintain its quality. Coffee Mug Warmer. The Kosori Coffee Mug Warmer mug set is the ultimate solution for keeping your beverages at the perfect temperature. Featuring an advanced heating plate, it ensures your coffee, tea, or cocoa stays warm for hours. The included stainless steel mug, with a cool touch handle and spill-resistant lid, enhances your drinking experience. Precise temperature controls allow you to customize your warmth preference, from mild to hot. Designed with a sleek, compact profile, it fits seamlessly on any desk or countertop. The LED display adds a modern touch while offering easy operation. Automatic shutoff ensures safety and energy efficiency. Perfect for home, office, or gifting, it combines functionality with style. Enjoy every sip at your own pace with this innovative warmer set. Electric Fondue Pot. The Nostalgia 6-cup electric fondue pot set is the perfect centerpiece for your next gathering. Crafted with a sleek design, it accommodates up to 6 cups of your favorite fondue creations, from creamy cheese to rich chocolate. The adjustable temperature control ensures precise heating, while the non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze. Its sturdy base and cool-touch handles offer safe and easy handling. 6 color-coded forks are included, making it ideal for sharing with family and friends. Whether hosting a party or enjoying a cozy night in, this fondue pot brings people together. Portable and convenient, it's perfect for any occasion. Indulge in delicious, interactive dining with this versatile fondue set.